Hello, I'm Jacobs. I come from Poland. I came to China in 2013, and for the most of my career, I've been managing education projects in different countries like Brazil, Portugal, Sweden, and USA. I was always fascinated with Chinese culture and innovation, and knowing that Chinese parents pay so much attention to education, I wanted to come here and contribute to the development of international education in China. In Hanning School, my main responsibility is managing foreign teachers and the international programs. It's all about bridging the East and West and developing international mindedness, those broad perspectives in our students. I wanted to live in a city that is not too big and not too small. A place that can offer me good opportunities for my career, but also can be balanced with comfort of living and working. And Dongguan fits the model. It's a perfect place. It's located in the heart of the Greater Bay Area, so there's many opportunities for work, and it's big enough to also enjoy comfortable life. In 2017, I met this beautiful and smart girl. Now we are married and have a beautiful one-year-old baby daughter. Local people are very friendly, and I have many friends here. There are plenty of unique coffee shops, great restaurants, a lot of parks and activities. Dongguan offers comfortable life, preserving the cultural heritage together with approach towards smart manufacturing and innovation is very exciting, and I'm very proud to be part of Dongguan community.